Gordon Wood will be a free man after a Sydney appeal court tore up his conviction for the murder of his girlfriend Caroline Byrne. In 2008, a jury found that the former chauffeur threw the model from a notorious suicide spot. But today, the appeal judges said the evidence did not support a guilty verdict. Wood's release from Goulburn Jail is now imminent after he's spent more than 3 years behind bars. With all of the details, here's ABC court reporter Carl Herr.
Gordon Wood's sisters and mother flew to Sydney from their homes in Adelaide for the moment they've been anxiously anticipating for the past 6 months. The man himself wasn't in court, choosing instead to stay in his cell at Goulburn Jail. It was soon clear that his conviction was about to be turned on its head.
I have reviewed the whole of the evidence and have concluded that I am not satisfied beyond reasonable doubt that Gordon Wood murdered Caroline Byrne as charged. Accordingly, he must be acquitted.
A jury convicted Gordon Wood of murdering his girlfriend by throwing her from a cliff in June 1995. He always maintained his innocence.
I don't think anybody can really appreciate what it might be like to be an innocent person and have your freedom taken away from you with no hope or very little hope of it being restored.
Very, very satisfied. A correct and appropriate result.
But there was stony silence from Caroline Byrne's father, Tony. During the appeal hearing, the credibility of a key witness, physics professor Rod Cross, came under sustained attack. There was criticism of the experiments conducted to show how Caroline Byrne could have been thrown. The Court of Appeal agreed.
If she was thrown in the manner the prosecution suggested, the thrower was taking a very substantial risk that he would also fall to his death.
During the appeal, it was argued the offset Alpine motive, that Caroline Byrne was about to implicate her boyfriend's boss, Rene Rivkin, in a fire which destroyed a printing company, should never have been allowed to go to the jury. Justice McClellan said some of Gordon Wood's actions do raise suspicion, but the law requires significantly more than this alone to convict someone of murder. Gordon Wood's lawyer phoned him with the decision.
We told him it was overwhelming. It was such a strong decision in his favour, and he was very happy to hear that.
And his family says justice has finally been served. Carl Herr, ABC News, Sydney.